My husband made some jalapeño poppers with some shrimp. These are so good. I always crave these. And so when I crave them, he comes through and makes them for me. And this is how he made them. Starting off with some jalapeños. The jalapeños should be nice and big and fat. These are going to be perfect to stuff the shrimp with. After he cleaned off the dirt, dried these jalapeños, just cutting the slit on top, you're going to want to remove that and then go ahead and use whatever you have to remove the insides. You want to keep the top portion of that jalapeno. We'll use that later. For the shrimp, he's going to be using the large shrimp. We just get these at the carniceria. For the cream cheese, using the Philadelphia. And then we found this smoked Gouda cheese with bacon. If you can find this, I tell you, you're going to want to use it. It was perfect for these. Just going to add some seasoning to the shrimp, some garlic pepper, use whatever you like. Then adding some of that smoked Gouda in there and a little bit of cream cheese. Add 1 piece of shrimp and then add some more of the Gouda cheese and just put the top of that jalapeno right on there and just continue with the rest. Once these are done, we're going to start to wrap these in some bacon. We just use this Great Value from Walmart and it works perfect. We actually use this for these because they're long and they fit these big jalapenos. You're going to want to just wrap these all around. If you have to stretch it, go ahead and stretch it, but we didn't have to. And then he likes to just add a toothpick in there to hold the bacon and the jalapeno in place. Placing these just on a baking sheet. These are done. You can go ahead and cook these in the oven, in your air fryer, but we're going to do this on the grill. If you see how nice and big and fat these are going to be so good. Just placing these on the grill, and then you're going to want to just watch. Once they are done, you're going to know because the bacon has cooked through and it's crispy and delicious. Remove from the grill. You're going to want to let these cool down just a little bit before you eat them because I have done the mistake of not, and ooh, it burnt my mouth. But look how delicious these look. I absolutely love these jalapeno poppers stuffed with shrimp. They are delicious. I crave these like constantly. And honestly, you cannot have just one. You got to have at least 5. Save this recipe, super easy to make. Let these cool down like I said, but I couldn't let them cool down and I burnt my mouth. Anyways, enjoy. Delicious.